Imagine walking through a quiet forest just after sunrise. The air is cool, the ground is soft beneath your feet, and shafts of golden light filter through the tall trees. Every trunk, every fallen branch, and every twisted root carries a story shaped by wind, rain, time, and seasons. Nature does not rush its work, yet it creates forms that no human design can truly replicate. This deep connection between nature and wood is what continues to inspire craftsmen around the world. Instead of forcing wood into artificial shapes, many creators now choose to follow the lines already written into the grain. The result is not just a wooden object, but a piece of nature preserved in a new form. At Crafted Wood Studio, this philosophy guides every step of the creative journey. The goal is not to dominate the material, but to collaborate with it. Each piece of wood is approached as something unique, with its own character, color variations, knots, and curves that deserve to be respected rather than hidden. When raw wood is first brought into the workshop, it rarely looks like something beautiful. It may be rough, dusty, cracked, or irregular. Yet within those imperfections lies potential. By carefully studying the grain patterns and natural edges, a clear direction begins to emerge. The wood itself suggests what it wants to become. Working with natural forms requires patience. Straight lines and perfect symmetry are easy to measure and reproduce, but organic shapes demand observation and sensitivity. Every cut must be considered from multiple angles, ensuring that the most expressive parts of the grain remain visible and that the structure stays strong and balanced. As the surface is gradually shaped and smoothed, the hidden beauty of the wood begins to reveal itself. Subtle color transitions appear, rings become more defined, and textures that were once concealed under rough bark or weathered layers begin to shine. This transformation is one of the most rewarding moments in the entire crafting process. Nature rarely creates repetition. Even pieces taken from the same tree can differ in tone, pattern, and density. This natural variation ensures that every finished creation is one of a kind. No two pieces will ever share the exact same lines or markings, and that uniqueness is what gives natural wood its emotional value. There is also something deeply comforting about surrounding ourselves with materials that come directly from the earth. In a world filled with synthetic surfaces and mass-produced objects, natural wood introduces warmth, texture, and a sense of authenticity. It reconnects indoor spaces with the calmness of the outdoors. The creative process often begins long before any tools are used. It starts with observation, looking at how branches grow, how roots spread across the ground, or how fallen trunks twist as they decay. These natural forms provide endless inspiration. By studying them closely, new ideas begin to take shape, guided by patterns that have evolved over decades or even centuries. Once a direction is chosen, careful preparation becomes essential. The wood must be properly dried and stabilized to prevent future cracking or warping. This stage may take weeks or months, but skipping it would compromise the longevity of the final piece. True craftsmanship values durability just as much as appearance. Shaping natural wood is not about removing as much material as possible. Instead, it is about revealing what is already there. Gentle cuts, controlled sanding, and continuous evaluation help preserve the organic outline. The goal is to maintain the original spirit of the tree while refining it into something functional and visually balanced. As the surface becomes smoother, finishing techniques bring out even more depth in the grain. Natural oils and protective coatings enhance color contrasts and highlight the intricate patterns formed by years of growth. What once looked like a simple piece of timber now displays a complex landscape of lines, swirls, and shades. Lighting plays an important role in how natural wood is perceived. When light strikes the grain at different angles, it creates subtle reflections that make the surface appear alive. This dynamic quality is one of the reasons natural wood never feels flat or lifeless. It constantly changes depending on the time of day and the surrounding environment. Working with wood in its natural form also encourages sustainable thinking. Instead of relying on heavily processed materials, many craftsmen choose to repurpose fallen trees, reclaimed timber, or offcuts that would otherwise be discarded. This approach reduces waste while giving new life to resources that already exist. Each finished creation carries more than just visual appeal, it carries history. The rings visible in the grain tell the story of years of growth, seasons of drought and rain, and the environmental conditions that shaped the tree. Owning or using such a piece means interacting daily with something that has been evolving long before it entered a workshop. The emotional connection people feel toward natural wood is not accidental. Humans have lived among trees and wooden tools for thousands of years. The textures and scents of wood are deeply familiar to our senses, creating a subconscious sense of comfort and belonging. Even the smallest natural details can become focal points. A knot can transform from what might be considered a flaw into a striking visual feature. A natural edge, once hidden under bark, can provide a soft and flowing outline that no machine-cut line could imitate. These elements remind us that perfection in nature often looks very different from perfection in industrial design. The journey from raw timber to finished creation is rarely linear. Unexpected cracks, hidden cavities, or shifting grain directions can appear at any stage. Instead of being treated as problems, these surprises are often embraced and integrated into the final design. This adaptability is part of what makes working with natural wood so creative and engaging. Time is another important partner in this process. Wood continues to react to its environment even after it has been shaped and finished. It expands slightly with humidity, contracts in dry conditions, and gradually develops a richer tone as it ages. Rather than seeing these changes as flaws, many craftsmen view them as part of the living nature of the material. At Crafted Wood Studio, every creation is approached with the understanding that wood is not just a resource, it is a record of nature's artistry. Respecting that artistry means avoiding unnecessary waste, selecting pieces thoughtfully, and ensuring that each finished work justifies the life of the tree it came from. This philosophy also encourages slower, more mindful crafting. Instead of rushing to produce large quantities, attention is placed on detail, balance, and longevity. The result is not just an object that looks appealing for a short time, but something that can remain meaningful and durable for many years. The presence of natural wood in a space often changes the atmosphere in subtle ways. Its textures soften hard lines, its warm tones counterbalance cold surfaces, and its organic shapes break the monotony of strict geometry. These effects make environments feel more inviting and less mechanical. For viewers and creators alike, observing the transformation of natural wood can be deeply satisfying. Watching rough surfaces become smooth, dull tones become vibrant, and irregular shapes become harmonious demonstrates the power of patience and careful craftsmanship. Inspiration does not always come from complex ideas. Sometimes it begins with simply noticing how a beam of sunlight reveals the grain on a wooden surface, or how rain darkens certain areas while leaving others unchanged. These small observations often lead to the most authentic and compelling designs. As more people seek to reconnect with nature in their daily lives, natural wood continues to gain appreciation. It serves as a bridge between modern living and the natural world, offering both practicality and emotional comfort. Unlike many synthetic materials, wood carries warmth that can be seen, touched, and even smelled. The process of creating with natural wood is not just about producing something new. It is also about preserving a fragment of the natural world in a form that can be used and appreciated for generations. This blend of preservation and transformation is what makes natural wood creations so meaningful. If you enjoy seeing how raw materials from nature can be transformed into expressive and functional forms, then you are in the right place. Crafted Wood Studio is dedicated to exploring these possibilities, sharing techniques, and celebrating the natural beauty that exists within every piece of timber. Your support plays a huge role in allowing this journey to continue. By watching, sharing, and engaging with these creations, you help keep traditional craftsmanship and nature-inspired design alive in a fast-paced, mass-produced world. If this video sparked your curiosity or inspired you to look at wood in a new way, take a moment to like the video. It helps more people discover the beauty of natural craftsmanship. You can also share this video with friends or family who appreciate nature, creativity, or handmade work. Sometimes, a single piece of natural wood can inspire someone to start their own creative journey. And if you would like to see more videos exploring the artistry of natural materials, be sure to subscribe to Crafted Wood Studio and turn on notifications so you never miss future creations. Thank you for spending your time here and for being part of a community that values patience, creativity, and the timeless beauty of nature.